everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing a delicious and easy sweet recipe that is sheera. Place a pan on medium flame, add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, let it melt. Here I am adding chopped cashew nuts, almonds and raisins. You can add chopped dry fruits and nuts as per your choice. Roast. Then remove the dry fruits and nuts from the pan and transfer into a plate. In the same pan, add half cup of semolina. Roast on medium flame until the color changes. Stir continuously while roasting. After roasting the semolina, remove the pan and keep aside. Place a pan on medium flame, add 1 cup of water, add half cup of milk, stir, let it boil. Once it starts boiling, add the roasted semolina. Mix well and keep stirring continuously. By the way, if you like my videos, then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Add a drop of yellow food color. Mix well. Once the liquid is absorbed, add half cup of sugar. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix. Add the roasted dry fruits and nuts. Mix well. Once everything is well combined and it starts leaving the sides of the pan, add 2 teaspoons of clarified butter. Mix well. Here I am adding more half teaspoon of cardamom powder and mixing it well. Now switch off the flame and transfer it into a serving dish. While it is hot, level and shape the sheera as per your choice. You can garnish with nuts. Delicious sheera is now ready. It can be eaten at tea time. Thanks for watching.